Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fire TV Stick stuck on logo. Alright, let's begin. If your Fire TV Stick is stuck on the boot screen or logo screen, there are a couple of fixes you can try. First, restart the Fire TV Stick using the remote. Pick up your remote and press and hold the select button and the play pause button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons while pointing the remote at the TV. After a few seconds, you should see a message saying, "The Fire TV Stick is powering off." The device will then restart automatically. Once it turns back on, check if it loads past the logo screen. If the restart does not fix the issue, try power cycling the Fire TV Stick. Unplug the power cable from the device. If it is connected through your TV's USB port, unplug it there. If it is connected to a wall outlet, unplug it from the adapter. Leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds to allow all power to drain. After that, plug the power cable back in and wait for the Fire TV Stick to start up again. These steps usually resolve the issue and allow the device to load normally. So that's basically how you can fix Fire TV Stick stuck on logo. That's it for this video. Thanks.